My child, I know you are tired of waiting, tired of hoping and not seeing, tired of praying and still not understanding, tired of watching other people receive what you have been asking for, tired of telling yourself to be patient when your heart quietly wonders how much longer it can keep believing. I know. I have seen the waiting you do not talk about. I have seen the smile you wear when someone asks if you are okay. I have seen the way your heart sinks when another door stays closed. I have seen the nights when you whispered, "Lord, did you forget me?" My child, I did not forget you, not for one moment. The waiting season is not proof that I have left. The silence is not proof that I am absent. The delay is not proof that the answer is gone. Sometimes what feels like delay is my protection. Sometimes what feels like silence is my preparation. Sometimes what feels like nothing is happening is where I am doing the deepest work. You see the door that has not opened. I see the road behind it. You see the answer that has not arrived. I see the timing that will protect your heart. You see the years passing. I see the roots growing. My child, a seed does not accuse the soil because it cannot see the sun. It waits in the dark. It breaks open quietly. It grows where no one claps. And when the season is right, it rises. You are not buried. You are being planted. You are not forgotten. You are being formed. You are not late. You are being prepared. I know waiting has changed you. It has made you question things. It has made you quieter. It has made you careful with hope. You no longer speak about certain dreams as easily as before. You no longer let yourself imagine too much, because hoping again feels dangerous. But my child, do not let disappointment teach you that hope is foolish. Hope is not foolish when it is placed in my hands. Hope does not mean forcing your own timeline. Hope means trusting that I am still good, even when the answer has not arrived yet. There are things you asked for that I did not give immediately, because your heart needed healing first. There are doors I kept closed, because what was behind them would have harmed you. There are people I moved away, because their presence would have delayed your peace. There are seasons I allowed to stretch, because I was building something in you that speed could never produce. Patience is not punishment. Waiting is not rejection. Hidden work is still work. My child, you keep asking, when will it happen? But I am asking, will you trust me while it is not happening yet? Will you trust me when you cannot trace my hand? Will you trust me when your emotions rise and fall? Will you trust me when others seem ahead? Will you trust me when the answer comes slower than your desire? I am not asking you to pretend waiting is easy. I am asking you to let me wait with you. You are not sitting in this season alone. I am beside you in the unanswered prayer. I am beside you in the quiet room. I am beside you in the disappointment. I am beside you when your faith feels small. A small faith placed in my hands is still precious to me. You do not need loud faith tonight. You need honest faith. The kind that says, "Lord, I am tired, but I am still here. And my child, that is enough." Do not compare your waiting to someone else's harvest. You do not know the soil they grew through. You do not know the storms they survived. You do not know the private cost of what you see publicly. Comparison will make you bitter in a season where I am trying to make you deeper. Look back to me. Your timeline is not lost. Your story is not behind. Your blessing is not late. I know the appointed time. And when I move, you will understand why I asked you to wait. Some answers given too early become burdens. Some doors opened too soon become traps. Some relationships entered too quickly become wounds. Some opportunities received before the heart is ready become pressure instead of blessing. I love you too much to give you what would break you. I love you too much to rush what needs wisdom. I love you too much to answer only your desire while ignoring your destiny. My child, I am not only preparing the answer, I am preparing you. I am teaching you to hear my voice. I am teaching you to rest without having control. I am teaching you to keep your heart soft without letting fear rule it. I am teaching you to walk slowly without feeling ashamed. I am teaching you that my love is not proven only by giving you what you want. My love is also proven by protecting you from what you cannot yet see. One day you will thank me for some of the delays. One day you will see that the closed door was mercy. One day you will realize that what you called rejection was redirection. One day you will understand that the waiting season did not destroy you. It deepened you. It gave you wisdom. It showed you what mattered. It revealed who could stay. It taught you to pray differently. It taught you to stop worshiping the answer and start knowing the Father. My child, I know you want the miracle, but I want your heart too. I know you want the breakthrough, but I want your peace too. I know you want the next chapter, but I want you whole enough to live it. So breathe. Let tonight's question rest in my hands. Let tomorrow's uncertainty rest in my hands. Let the timeline rest in my hands. You do not need to force open what I am preparing. You do not need to chase what I am able to bring. You do not need to prove that you are worthy of an answer. You are already loved. Before the answer, during the waiting, after the breakthrough, you are loved, my child. While you wait, live. Do not put your whole life on hold until one thing changes. Do not stop noticing beauty. Do not stop receiving kindness. Do not stop laughing when joy visits. Do not stop caring for your body. Do not stop speaking gently to yourself. Waiting is not a command to disappear. Waiting is a season where you learn to walk with me in the present. There is grace for today. There is light for today. There is strength for today. There is peace for today. Receive today's portion. Tomorrow will have its own mercy. And when the time is right, I will open what no one can close. I will restore what looked delayed. I will bring life to what looked still. I will answer in the way that love knows best. Until then, stay close. Do not let waiting harden you. Do not let delay make you cold. Do not let silence convince you that I am gone. I am here. I am working. I am listening. I am preparing. And my child, you will not wait one moment longer than love requires. Pray with me now. Father, I am tired of waiting, but I still trust you. Help me not to confuse delay with abandonment. Help me not to compare my season with someone else's harvest. Prepare my heart for what you are preparing for me. Keep me soft. Keep me faithful. Keep me close to your voice, and teach me to live with peace while I wait. Amen. My child, you are not forgotten. You are not late. You are not being punished. You are being prepared. And when the appointed time comes, you will understand why I asked you to trust me here.